Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. If you've opened Outlook and noticed that the Teams meeting button suddenly disappeared or you can no longer access Microsoft Teams features from inside Outlook, don't worry because this issue is actually very common. It can happen after updates, account changes, Outlook configuration problems, or synchronization issues between Microsoft apps. The good news is that there are several simple ways to fix it, and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started right away. First, open your Outlook. After opening, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard. You'll see your inbox, folders, calendar tools, and navigation menu. Outlook acts as the main communication hub for Microsoft 365 users, and in newer versions, Microsoft Teams is deeply integrated into the experience to make collaboration easier. Now, take a look toward the upper right corner of Outlook. You should normally see several icons near your profile picture or account area. One of these icons should be the Microsoft Teams icon. Depending on your layout, screen resolution, or browser zoom level, it might appear slightly hidden or grouped with other Microsoft applications, so spend a few seconds checking carefully. If you find the Teams icon, click on it. Outlook should immediately open the integrated Teams experience connected to your account. From here, you can access chats, meetings, and collaboration features without needing to manually open the Teams application separately. However, if the Teams option is still missing, don't panic because there are additional fixes you can try. The next thing you should do is refresh Outlook completely. Sometimes the integration simply fails to load correctly during startup. Refresh the browser page or sign out of your account and sign back in again. This often forces Outlook to reload all Microsoft services, including Teams. If that still doesn't solve the problem, check whether you're signed into the same Microsoft account in both Outlook and Teams. Using different accounts can prevent the integration from appearing properly. For example, if Teams is connected to a work account, but Outlook is connected to a personal account, the add-in may not display. Another helpful step is checking your Outlook settings. Click the Settings gear icon near the top right corner of the page. From there, choose View All Outlook Settings. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may find sections related to integrated apps, connected experiences, or add-ins. Make sure Microsoft Teams is enabled wherever applicable. It's also worth mentioning that workplace or school accounts are sometimes controlled by IT administrators. In those cases, certain integrations may be disabled intentionally by company policies. If none of the fixes work, you may need to contact your organization's IT support team to confirm whether Teams integration is allowed for your account. Overall, Microsoft Teams integration inside Outlook is designed to simplify communication, scheduling, and collaboration by keeping everything connected in one place. Once the add-in is working again, you'll be able to create Teams meetings directly from Outlook, access chats more quickly, and move between email and collaboration tools much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you fix the missing Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. If you found this video useful, make sure to check out more tutorials on the channel for additional Microsoft Outlook and Teams tips.